Hello students, today we are going to start second chapter of mathematics paper 2, quadratic equations. You know the quadratic equations from last 2 years. Here I have written the polynomials x 2x plus 5, 5x plus 5x square plus 3x plus 7, 3m square plus 2n cube plus 5n plus 7. Here the variables are different, but we can see here these are various types of polynomials. First type is linear polynomials. Means when the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. Means degree of variable, here the degree of variable is 1, here is also 1. Then these two are which type of polynomials? Linear polynomials. Then quadratic polynomials. When the degree of polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Here 5x square plus 3x plus 7, this is a quadratic polynomial. This is not quadratic polynomial because the degree of n is 3. Therefore, this is not a quadratic polynomial. Now classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic. Here red rounded, these two are which type of polynomials? Linear polynomials. And x square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x and 5x square. These three are which type of polynomials? Quadratic polynomials, because the degree of variable is 2. Now write the polynomials in the index form. Observe the coefficients and fill in the boxes. Here first, second, third, 3 polynomials are given. Now coefficients of x square are, here coefficient of x square is 1, here is 3 and here is 5. Means these 3 polynomials are given and we have to write the following answer of questions. Coefficients of x is, here is 3, here in second is minus 5 and in third is 0. Now coefficients of constant terms are, here in first quadratic equation negative 5, in second 0 and in third also 0. Now we will see the definition of quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as the maximum index of the variable is called the quadratic equations. Means the highest power of the variable is 2. There is highest power must be 2, not less than 2 or not greater than 2. Now we will see the general form of quadratic equation. General form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. The value of a is not equal to 0. Now standard form of quadratic equation is also, this is also a standard form, general form is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here the example, 3 examples are given. You have to write general form and write the values of a, b, c. Now here we have given solve examples. You write these solve examples in your notebook. Now we will see roots of quadratic equation. We will see roots of quadratic equation. Here we will see what is the meaning of roots of quadratic equation. The values of variables which satisfy the equation is called solutions or roots of the equation. x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. म्हणजे इक्वेशनमध्ये आपण जर एखादी व्हॅल्यू टाकली तर इक्वेशनची LHS आणि RHS सेम येते, तेव्हा त्या व्हॅल्यूला आपण काय म्हणतो? रूट किंवा सोल्युशन ऑफ दॅट इक्वेशन. त्या इक्वेशनचं रूट किंवा सोल्युशन असं म्हणतो. आता इथे बघा एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला सोडून दिलेले आहे. लेट x इज इक्वल टू -3 इन द पॉलिनॉमियल x स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x minus 6. Take value of x is -6. Putting this value, we will see that LHS is equal to RHS. The value of the this given polynomial is 0. Therefore, negative 6 is root of the equation. Here also some examples are given. Then we will see that the given value of the equation, the value of the variable is satisfies the equation. Now we will see this activity x is equal to 5 is a root of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then find the value of k by completing the following activity. Now we will solve this activity. See here, if x is equal to 5, value of x is given 5. We will solve this equation like this way. X is equal to 5. Then we will write the equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 5 in the equation. Putting x is equal to 5 in equation. K into 5 square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 25k minus 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. Therefore 25k is equal to 75. Negative 75 it becomes positive 75. Therefore k is equal to 75 upon 25. Therefore k is equal to 3. Value of k is equal to 3. Solve in exam, write in book. Now you will write this activity in your notebook. Now we will solve the examples from the practice set 2.1. Here we have given write any two quadratic equations. It is open-minded question. You will write anyway. You will take any variable and write the equation. Now we will see second question. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Which equations are quadratic equations? First is a quadratic equation. We see clearly here. Second also quadratic equation. Y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 is also quadratic equation. But in third example, there is the variable is in the denominator. Therefore, we have to take means replacement. We have to give some do some here work, means some mathematical operation. See here, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Y, we will put a denominator same. Y into y square plus 1 upon y into y is equal to 2y. Multiplying by y to both sides of equation. Equationच्या दोन्ही बाजूने आपण y ने गुणलं तर किती आले इथे बघा, y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. Then y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. Means the degree of polynomial is greater than 2. And in quadratic equation, the maximum degree of the variable must be 2. Degree किती हवी आहे? 2 हवी. And also the fourth example, this is also fourth, fifth are easy one. We will see fourth example, fifth and sixth are easy one. Here x plus 1 upon x minus 2, x into x plus 1 upon x into x minus 2 into x, multiplying both sides of equation by x square plus 1 minus 2x, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The degree of polynomial is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. This way you can solve question number 2. Then write the following equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the values of abc. आता हे जी इक्वेशन्स दिलेली आहेत ती आपण कशा प्रकारे लिहायची आहेत? स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायची आहेत आणि काय करायचं आहे, आपण एबीसीची व्हॅल्यू लिहायची आहे. आता इथे किती होणार आहे बघा, वाय स्क्वेअर इकडे गेले पॉझिटिव्ह झाले, वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस 2y वाय स्क्वेअर minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Value of a is equal to 1. Value of b minus 2 and value of c 7. X square minus 8, x square plus 0x minus 8 is equal to 0. Here second term is not given, therefore we will take it as a 0x. Therefore value of a is 1, b 0 and c minus 8. This way we will solve example. Then fourth one is in Say third question, we will solve the examples. Now we will see question number 4. Determine, see here, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation roots of the are the roots of the equation. आता फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये तुम्ही ह्या एक्सची व्हॅल्यू 1 आणि -1 घेऊन ते एक्झाम्पल सोडून पहा. आता त्याप्रमाणे मी हे सोपं आहे त्यामुळे मी तुम्हाला सेकंड एक्झाम्पल सोडून दिलेलं आहे. पहा, आपण याच्या व्हॅल्यूज टाकून पाहणार आहोत. हिअर वी विल सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. Question 4, second example. 2m square minus 5 is equal to 0. Take m is equal to 5 by 2. Putting the value, let m is equal to 5 by 2. Put in equation 2 into 5 by 2 square minus 5 into 5 by 2. 2 into 5 by 2 means 25 by 4 minus here 5 into 5, 25 by 2. Then 2 to the 4, 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2. Same terms, LHS is 0. Now this is LHS and RHS is what? RHS is already 0. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore value of m is 5 by 2 is fulfills the, it is the root of the equation. Now we will see value 2 means putting value 2, m is equal to 2. आता मी इथे m is equal to 2 घेतले तर आपण कसं सोडवणार पहा. m is equal to 2 is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 5 into 2, 10. 4 2 is 8 minus 10 is equal to minus 2. Means LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore 2 is not root of equation. Like this way we will solve the examples. Now here find k if x is equal to 3 in a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. You take here value of x3 and solve the example. Here also we have given a activity. You put the value of x as 7 minus 7 by 5 and solve the example. Okay.